So this is lesson 7.8, day 1 on your own. So as we said, group x cubed plus 2x squared, 3x plus 6. Don't forget the sign. I could take out an x squared. So I have an x plus 2. Next one, I could take out a positive 3. Left with x plus 2. So I have x squared plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay. Next one, same thing. So this is where it's really important for you to take out the sign that's in front as well. So x cubed plus 9x squared, right? So that's 1. My other one is negative 2x minus 18. So let's take a look at the first one first. Looks like x squared is what they both have in common. So x plus 9. Okay, and the next one, you're like, okay, well, let's take out a 2. Well, if I take out a 2, I'm with negative x minus 9, right? And as I said earlier in the other video, both of these have to be the same, right? Your inside, if x plus 9, then your other one should be x plus 9. So you're like, well, what can I do? Well, take a look at this. If I take out a negative 2, right, then what does this become? This actually becomes a positive x and positive 9. So I'm left with x plus 9. So I would say just take out the sign of whatever's in front, and that should always help you out. So now I'm left x squared minus 2 times x plus 9. Next one, group them. 5x cubed plus 25x squared, and then plus x plus 5. So it looks like in this first one I could take out a 5 and then x squared and left with x plus 5. Okay, in the next one, you're like, well, I can't take anything out. Then it's just a plus 1, right? You could take a 1 out. Okay, why do I take a 1 out? You'll see, and I'm left with just x plus 5, right? Then if I divide by 1, you're just left with x plus 5. Why did I take out that 1? Well, one of the polynomials is x plus 5. And you're like, okay, what's the second one? Well, the second one does include that 1, so 5x squared plus 1. So here's the thing, if you can't take anything out, then you could take out a 1. Okay, so that is what this one is going to be. Okay, all right. Wow, I signed a lot of these, huh? Well, it's good practice, even for me. So in this first one, I could take out an x squared. I'm left with x plus 9. Second one, and I could take out a positive 4y. I should be left with an x plus 9. Then I get x squared plus 4y and x plus 9. Okay. Next, well, so in this first one, I could take out an x squared. Left with 3x plus 1. Don't forget that. Next one, I could take out a positive 5, and I'm left with also 3x plus 1. Okay. So from here, x squared plus 5 times 3x plus 1. Is there one more in this row? Oh, there is one more. Okay, number 6. So if I were to group them like this, I could take out an x cubed, right? And left with x squared plus 2. X squared plus 2, there's nothing that I can take out. Remember, there's nothing. Take out a 1 plus 1, you get x squared plus 2. So that means you get x cubed plus 1 and x squared plus 2. Okay. All right, 3 more problems to go. So don't forget that. I could take out a 4x squared, left with x plus 1. Next one, I could take out a positive 6, and I left with x plus 1. So I get 4x squared plus 6, and I get x plus 1. Alright, 2 more. Same thing, so I could take out an x cubed and left x plus 3. Next one, I could take out a positive x, and I'm left with an x plus 3. So I'm left with x cubed plus x times x plus 3. This one's interesting because yes, this is correct, but I guess the next step I could take is, alright, let's take a look at this. What do they both have in common? Is there GCF that I can take out? Yes, I could take out an x. Right, if I take out an x, this is what I'm left with. I get this. Okay, so from here to here is technically the correct format, but don't worry about that. That's kind of like the mastery level question. If you were able to see that, kudos to you. If not, I'm glad this was a learning lesson for you. Last but not least, here I do this, 3x, I get x plus 1, positive 4, I get x plus 1, I have 3x plus 4, and I have x plus 1. Okay, so those are the on your own. The only hard one was number 8. Yeah, I would say it's pretty fair game. If you can identify that one, then yes, you should be able to do it. If you still have questions, you can ask me tomorrow. But just notice if you have a GCF, you can keep taking them out as well. Okay, so hopefully the on your own tour, this video was helpful to you. If you still have questions, ask me the next day.